Latest on a transfer rumors sanibona bafethu uvanelo so namhlanje nginiphathela ama transfer news ngeindaba ezenzeka ku Betway Premiership ngeindaba ezenzeka ku PSL in general yebo. So maningi ama team adedele abadlali maningi ama team asayina abadlali but ke la AmaZulu FC have parted ways with 8 players sebededele abadlali abawu8 okubalwa khona uVelimota, uWade Yuste, uRowan Human, Ramahlo Mphahlele masukubani Abubakar Mobara, Thembela Sikhakhane, Augustine Molenga, Boniface Haba. AmaZulu adedele ngempela mawasubheke labadlali abawu8 laba yabo kushuda abadlali abawu3 kwenzeke ischeme esiphelele. I hope AmaZulu ayazi enzani ukudedela abadlali abaningi kanje kunga resulta kwenkulu inkinga le yabo ka resulta kwenkulu inkinga lo but kuma usubheka abadlali ababadedelile yes ungasho ukuthi okay yayenza set because most abadlali laba abadlali yabo Velimoto come on Velimoto yabo siyamazi Velimoto masekubuwe Wade Yuste omunye umuntu obuyahlushwa ama injury masekuba uRowan Human to be honest uRowan Human angi understand maybe umchita icontract yakhe iphelile wa decide ukuthi angayi renew yabo understandable but ke umdlalo uyadlala impela yamchita lo yabo Abubakar Mobara yayenza sense umchitho semdala kakhulu yabo usemdala Abubakar so iyayenza sense ukuthi bamdedele yabo Thembela Sikhakhane ngengazi ke yasikhakhane Augustine Molenga lo udedele Augustine Molenga lo mdlali lo oku Igodaro uyahamba nina nimlonile phela ubedlalile Sundowns Johan hambise itrack ezu2 ngesikhathi esisodwa nizoba nenkinga Boniface Haba to be honest I don't really know a lot about this player yabo so badedele abadlali bawu8 kwezinye izindaba kuthiwa uMax Nzengeli is one of the players on Kaizer Chiefs radar. Kaizer Chiefs ifuna imidfielder edlalela iYanga FC le midfielder le izophatha ways with Young Africans yabo umdlali uyadlala ngempela ke lo udlala ku Young Africans eyenza kahle le Africa yabo iKaizer Chiefs I hope niyayibona bafethu iyapheka yabo lento epheka uNabi nizoyizwa soon lento epheka uNabi abantu abaningi abayibona but ke Kaizer Chiefs ifuna umdlali odlalele ku Young Africans yabo uzobe free agents ke phela mesihamba yabo kwezinye izindaba AmaZulu exercise contract options for uZungu beno extend yabo uSuthu kuthiwa have retained their services of Bongani Zungu and Hendrik Extend exercising their contract option ahead of the new season so uZungu ba decide ukuthi akahlale yabo ama services akhe bawathande kakhulu indlela adlala ngakhona kule season le uSuthu impressed yabo no Extend naye umunye wabadlali ongichaze kakhulu kule season indlela adlala ngakhona kule season esiphuma kuyona AmaZulu ngempela bekumele ay renew icontract yakhe so AmaZulu azowa renew ama contract alabadlali abawu2 yabo basazohlala nje kuSuthu olimabhoshankona they need to sign new players do AmaZulu yabo they need to sign new players kwezinye izindaba uDarwin Gonzalez lo dlalela iCape Town City has left the Cape Town City he is now a free agent at the age of 31 At the age of 31, he has played 103 games for Cape Town City, scored 16 goals and assisted assist 9 umjida for Cape Town City. Now 31 years old. Yabo umjida kuyadlala one of the talented wingers akhona la ku Betway Premiership. Ngingazi ingaba khona ama team ku Big 3 amfunayo asazi. But ke sobona uyi free agent right now. Siyazi ke team ethanda ama free agent. Wangibhalela ama comments yipi team ethanda ama free agent lapho. Uyayazi nami ngiyayazi but ke ngifuna ungitshele kuma comments ukuthi ingabe eyipi team ethanda ama free agents ngiyadlala abafethu but ke Darwin Gonzalez has left the Cape Town City he is now a free agent ngenzeka ijoin Steelers because the Steelers right now they need players they might sell some players umdlalo njengoGonzalez uyayenza sense umdlalo njengoGonzalez une experience yabo usedlala ibhola eliningi kakhulu eSouth Africa 103 games ku PSL yabo umdlalo ngempela okunikeza something kwezinye izindaba uMatthias Esquivel is set to be released by Mamelodi Sundowns he follows uCountryman Lucas Suarez to the exits menikhumbula kahle uMatthias Esquivel umdlalo wathengwa ngo 54 million rands ethengwe Mamelodi Sundowns 54 million rands yeah but ke uyahamba Matthias Esquaveli bafethu bengifuna nje ukunikeza umzuzu nithi ukuyiprocessa kancane leyo nto 54 million rand bamthenga but ke sebezomrelease right now yabo. I remember when they bought this player, he didn't play a lot of games and they decided to loan him yabo. Njengoba bemlonile, they brought him back ngoJanuary wabuya umjida, he didn't get any game time yabo, he didn't get any game time. So right now they're deciding to release the player 54 million. But ke kwesinye izindaba kuthiwa lana based on the info we are told it's Kaizer Chiefs and Simba SC in the race for Faisal Salum. Nyamaze ke lo umdlalo odlalela iAzam FC edlala le Tanzania. He's got one more year with Azam until June 2026. He's okay coming to Kaizer Chiefs, kusho ama sources aqhamuka le Tanzania. But it's up to the two clubs to reach an agreement. Yabo iAzam ifuna 500 500k USD oku 9 million kwimali la South Africa yabo. iSimba naye iyamfuna lo mdlalo, so umdlali ngempela lo ofunwayo yabo. Mina ngikhumbula kahle ke iSimba one of the biggest teams eqhamuka le eTanzania, mase sibheke Kaizer Chiefs naye Kaizer Chiefs one of the biggest teams ekhona la eSouth Africa. So iyiphi team ezoyiwina irace yalo mdlalo lo u9 million? Kaizer Chiefs I don't think bangahlula ukukhipha u9 million, but ke asiboneke lapho. Kwezinye izindaba futhi ningakhohlwa namhlanje kuqala iClub World Cup, not namhlanje bese but iqala kusasa ngo2 intatha kuzodlala iAl Ahly versus iInter Miami yabo. There are 4 clubs akhona ala eAfrica arepresentayo okuyiMamelodi Sundowns, Al Ahly, kube Esperance mase kube Wydad Casablanca. These four clubs kumele siwa support. Namhlanje ngizohlala kuze kushaye u2 ngiyibuke mina iInter Miami idlala iAl Ahly. I wanna see Jose Riveiro ecoacha iAl Ahly. I wanna see bedlala neteam yaMessi njengoba I wanna see ukuthi kahle kahle iAfrica yini thina sinayo. I think iAfrica izomangaza abaningi kule Club World Cup yabo. Many people are really doubting iAfrica, are really doubting African teams. This is the time we show these European and American and South American teams and Asian teams what we are capable of. Yabo, I know Mamelodi Sundowns in Al Ahly, maybe with that, but Esperance will put on a show. Yabo, they will show those teams what we are capable of. Yabo. Kwezinye izindaba la kuthiwa Chippa United have completed the signing of exciting winger Mbandile Dlamini from Royal AM, further strengthening their squad ahead of the 2025-2026 Betway Premiership season. Yabo iChippa United ke bafethu enye ama team le engiyibheke ngabovu kule season ezoqala because basathanda kuthola itechnical team entsha. Njengoba bethola itechnical team entsha nje, they need new players, they need fresh blood to beef up their squad. So balandile ke umdlali lo obedlala kwiRoyal AM uBandile Dlamini. Yabo Mbandile Dlamini ke bafethu was one of the prospects abebekhona kwiRoyal AM. Angazi ukuthi uzofika adlale kanjani kwiChippa United, but ke ngimfisela okuhle afika adlale kahle laphana yabo. Okungiphatha kabuhlungu, there are many players bedlalela iRoyal AM yabo. Issue yeRoyal AM ayikahlali kumina kahle. There were many players playing for iRoyal AM right now abana ma team. Mhlamba akhona ama team azobalanda lezansi ku NFD, but ke kungizwisa ubuhlungu kakhulu. Abadlali bebedlala ku Betway Premiership, maybe bezozama ukuyisiza iteam isuke kulesa sima Dickson ezansi yabo. So right now abana ama team, imagine those players who were playing for iTTC yeRoyal AM, where are they right now? Bayiblo badlali. Ngizwisa ubuhlungu le ndaba yeRoyal AM, but ke akusenani, sekudlulile. I hope uMamkhize uzokwazi ukufunda isifundo ngalento le yenzeka kuyena kwiRoyal AM yabo. Maybe kuba mhlawumbe wazama ukuhlala phansi akhulume nalo mama lo uphethe iGolden Arrows. Lo mama uphethe iGolden Arrows nawo umuntu wesifazana, maybe wayezokwazi ukuthi athole mhlawumbe some wisdom from another fellow woman yabo. Umtshela ukuthi how do you run things as a woman in this industry of yabo ukuba ne-club. Awukwazi ukuba ne-club, awukwazi ukuba ne-club ibe no-chairman odlalayo phakathi. What foolishness is that? Chairman odlala phakathi, chairman ongajima ubuya bu-DJ eshaya ingoma. Chairman kodwa ufuna yabo izinto ezikanjalo nje. Bekugcwele ukudlala kakhulu kwiRoyal AM. I-league le, this is a professional league. They took this league lightly. This is a professional league. One of the teams playing in this league, they will represent South Africa in Club World Cup, but they took this thing lightly of managing a team kwi-Betway Premiership. Mase bebuya next time, they need to look at their mistakes they did with the Royal AM, because this is yabo ayikho mnandi, ayinambitheki angifuni nje uqamba manga. If they come back